You wanted more low-calorie recipes, so today I'm going to show you how to make an amazing tasting low-calorie pizza, which has only 50 calories per slice. Not only is it much lower calorie than anything from a pizza chain, but because it only takes 5 minutes to make, you could have this on the table faster than having a pizza delivered. Okay, so I'm using my 2-ingredient dough for this pizza, which I'll leave in the description box. The 2 main reasons we're using this dough today is 1, I love it, you love it, it's simple, and you get an amazing tasting pizza in 5 minutes. The other reason I'm using this recipe is since we're counting calories today, we are gonna roll this pizza out pretty thinly, and if we were to use a regular pizza dough, you would get a crispy base, which if you love, by all means, go ahead. I prefer a softer base. As you bring the dough together, you'll notice this isn't a lot of dough. Promise you, it's gonna work though. Make sure you collect all the flour, and you need this for a good minute. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Hello there. Make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. I post new videos every week. Now I'm gonna wrap this dough while I prepare the toppings. Make sure you wrap it well, that way it stays properly hydrated. Move that to the side, and let's talk cheese and let's talk tips. I'm using low-fat dry mozzarella. Depending where you live, it's gonna have different calories per 100 grams. However, just know the amount of cheese you can use is gonna be anywhere between 40 to 50 grams, which does not seem like a lot of cheese, but I promise you it's gonna be great because we're gonna add garlic and 1 tablespoon of Parmesano. They're really going to enhance and make your pizza taste amazing. If you've ever had garlic bread, cheese bread, you know that garlic and cheese is just mwah. It's an amazing combo, so don't skip it. Give everything a quick toss, and we'll get to the other toppings as we go along. We're gonna go back to our pizza dough, and we're gonna roll this out pretty thinly. Keep the dough moving as you roll it out, and with this pizza, you should be able to get a 22 centimeter or 9-inch pizza, which here in Italy is a pretty decent size. If you were expecting a massive, huge pizza, this is not it, okay? If you were expecting a delicious pizza, this is it. Now, like I said, this will be thin, okay? It's gonna look like pie crust. However, because we use self-rising flour, this will puff up really nicely as it cooks. I'm gonna transfer the pizza onto my rolling pin and then onto my prepared non-stick pan, which I have, dusted lightly with some cornmeal. I do like the texture, it gives the crust, but you can leave it out. You don't need cornmeal. We're gonna move over to the stove. The step is optional. However, I love to do it because it starts to brown the bottom of the pizza and you get such an amazing crust. If you have a pizza stone, well, you are very lucky and you can skip this step. You'll see these beautiful air pockets start to form, around the pizza, just like regular pizza dough. At this point, you can take it off the stove and start adding your toppings. I'm gonna add some tomato sauce. This is just plain tomato sauce, no oil added. If you wanna add some herbs, spices, basil, go ahead. Add the cheese and let's talk toppings. Now, this is delicious, just plain cheese, okay? There's no need to add anything else. Everybody loves plain cheese pizza. If you don't, well, I don't know what to say, honestly, to that. I don't know what to say. However, if you wanna add extra toppings, I recommend going for veggies. Veggies are great. They're close to 0 calories. I guarantee you no one has ever done any damage eating veggies. I'm adding peppers, a few olives. You could add mushrooms, onions, whatever you like. You're gonna throw this in the oven, preheated to 250 degrees Celsius or 500 Fahrenheit, and this will cook really quickly. I wanna say mine took 3 to 5 minutes on the highest rack. Your pizza will have a beautiful, thin, golden crust and these gorgeous air pockets, just like regular yeast pizza. I really wanted to give you an amazing tasting, low-calorie pizza that isn't, cauliflower pizza. It's not an omelet pizza. This is a proper, real, delicious pizza. The pizza slice folds perfectly. The dough is soft, but with a nice, crispy crust. You will love this.